Hello investors, I am Sonam Udasi, Senior Fund Manager at Tata AMC. I manage the Value Fund, as you very well know. The value category, as the name suggests, you buy cheap, try to sell it more expensive. So value has to become valuable. This fund earlier used to be known as the Tata Equity PE Fund. Now it's called the Tata Value Fund. It has a 22-year-old track record. For now, the value category in our fund today, we are overweight on the financials, financial services, little bit of pharma, little bit of power utilities. Energy is a big segment because of AI and other things, and there is a fair representation to that. 30% of our portfolio we can basically do turnaround growth. 70% is pure value. So it gives a well-rounded portfolio to the investor across cycles. So when value does well, we do well. But when growth is also doing well, we continue to chug along. Credit growth seems to be looking up. We seem to be very, very well positioned for 2026. Happy investing. Have a good year. Thanks.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.